Hey everybody, and thank you for joining. I'm Seb Francis from Titus Learning, and today I'm going to run through a few of the features of the Titus Learning Moodle theme. So just before we log in and get started, a quick overview. We have created our Moodle theme to ensure that not only the site can tie in with the school or the company's branding and overall brand guidelines, but also ensure there are a number of features and functionality within that theme that make it easier to use and more user-friendly. So starting from the front page, what we really want to do is strip back all the bits that are not needed and keep it really simple, and hopefully that's what you will see as we go throughout the site. You'll notice at the bottom we've got it linked with our Office 365 account, so I'm just going to click here to log in as opposed to entering a username and password. And once we land on our site, we are faced with the My Dashboard page, which we've set as our default home page. So some users will have the Moodle homepage and perhaps have icons on there. We really think that the My Dashboard page works brilliantly as a personalised learning space and an area in which that each user can see information that is relevant to them. So in our example, we've got things like our homework block. We've got it linked with the MIS, so teachers can do things such as registers or mark sheets and reports. And we've got a number of other features on there, such as an integrated Newsfeed, which is pulling things from external social elements and also from the Moodle site directly, as you can see there. And for those of you who use Moodle, you'll be well aware that you can add or remove any of these blocks as you wish. So that's a quick overview of the My Dashboard page, and you'll notice that the block design is somewhat different to Moodle out of the box as well. Now, one of the really cool things we've added is this My Apps menu on the left-hand side. So if I just hover over the My Apps menu, then we can add per site as many or remove as many different icons as you wish to this page. So trying to really use Moodle as the central hub, you can then link off to external sites here if needed. So if you are using Office 365, as we showed, you can link through to that. If you're using Google Apps, again, you could tie through. And then we've got another couple of examples at the bottom there of different sites that you can link through to. And depending how those sites are set up, you can often set it up with single sign-on to make access to that just a little bit easier. If you are using an MIS that we can integrate with, then you will also have access here within our teacher portal, or if you're logged in as a student, you'd have your student options, or of course your parents options if you're logged in as a parent. But things like taking your registers, adding or editing behaviour or achievement incidents, that can all be done in the My Apps menu. Now, to navigate around the site and go through to your Moodle course, first of all, you can add the course overview, as we've done as a block just down here. But what we've also done, which will be accessible throughout the site, is this My Courses menu. So this will show any courses that you're enrolled in. If you wish to remove some of the courses, we have got a blacklist so you can hide ones. So we have got staff notice board in here, but you could argue that's not a course. So if you want to take that out, then have a chat with your Moodle administrator and we'll be able to talk through with them how that can be done. And let's just go through to one of our courses and we'll show you some of the course formats that have been set up as well. So in this example, we've gone for the collapsed topic format, which we've styled somewhat. So you can see the nice little hover over effect, and then it just collapses or expands all of those with the content inside. And again, you will have a number of different course formats that you can choose from. So if this doesn't look familiar, but you would like to use something like this, then do please get in touch with us and or your Moodle administrator, and we'll be able to help you set that up. And then finally, we've got our, what I'd class as the quick add content options. So as a teacher, without having to turn editing on, you can simply click into these links here and then quickly add a piece of content as opposed to going through that standard process. So if we want to do a new assignment, we'll just click into that, and then you get usual assignment settings just underneath that where you can set work for the students. You've also got the This Course settings, so instead of having to go via the admin block, you can view which users you've got enrolled or which people are on the course, the grades and the gradebook. And then the settings on the right, you've got things like your course settings and the different groups and activity reports and overviews. So again, any questions about this, or if it's not appearing currently or doesn't look familiar or you want to find out more, do please get in touch either via support@tituslearning.com or pop us a tweet, which is @tituslearning, or of course just give us a call if we can be of any assistance. But hopefully that gives you a quick overview of some of the theme features. If there is anything else, do please let us know. Thanks a lot.